Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get USD in MetaMask. First, ensure your MetaMask wallet is fully installed and configured on your device, whether it's a browser extension or mobile app. Next, you'll need to add the specific blockchain network where your USD will reside, like the Ethereum mainnet or Polygon. Finally, locate and copy your unique MetaMask wallet address for that chosen network. This is where your USD will be sent. Once your MetaMask is ready, the next step is to acquire your USD. You can purchase USD directly on a centralized exchange using traditional money or by swapping other cryptocurrencies. Alternatively, you might receive USD from another digital wallet or a friend. For transfers between different blockchains, consider using a reliable cross-chain bridge to move your USD. Now, let's transfer your USD to MetaMask. Carefully copy your MetaMask wallet address, making sure it's for the exact network you intend to use. Then, paste this address into the withdrawal or send field on your exchange or the wallet you're sending from. Always double-check the network, the address, and the amount before confirming the transaction to prevent any loss of funds. After sending, allow a few moments for the transaction to process, then open MetaMask to confirm your USD balance has arrived. You should see the tokens listed in your wallet. Remember to keep a small amount of the native network token, like Ether for Ethereum, to cover future transaction fees. Also, for other great deals, and to grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.